Nagkaroon ng matagumpay na mall show ang premier vocal group ng bansa, ang The Company, para sa kanilang latest album na Lighthearted OPM 2. The Company, anong ganap? Dinagsa ng mga tao ang market para sa album mall tour ng The Company.
When we did Lighthearted OPM 1, it was more current songs of artists of today here in the Philippines, you know. But now we did songs that are classic OPM songs.
As always, namanghana naman ang mga audience sa husay ng iconic vocal group. Ano nga bang sikreto nila sa kanilang walang kupas na galing sa pagkanta?
Discipline, vision, substance, and style. I think those are the things that have made us still viable in 2014 and beyond.
We have a new product in the market. It's called Lighthearted OPM 2.
Lalo pang ma-enjoy ang magagandang tinig ng The Company, bumili na ng kanilang latest album, ang Lighthearted OPM 2.